Hello and welcome back to Tokyo Tech Tales. As you know, if you watched the video, I recently went to Tokyo Game Show with my wife and it was a great video. Lots of people came and watched it and that was amazing. And I thought what we could do as a follow-up to that video would be to do a merch haul video to show you all of the stuff that we got for free while we were at the show. So that's what we're going to do today. Just a quick video, going to go through it, show you what it is, see what it's worth, and see if it's worth really collecting merch at the show. So if you go next time, you can know whether to actually carry it around or not. Anyway, so let's get started. We've got a big bag. This is Korea, what's more, games, because it was a Korean mobile phone game place at the game show, and they gave us a free bag, so it was great. Okay, let's start off. We got lots of fans. One thing we got, with this fan here, I don't know what it's for, but it's quite a good fan. Also got this one for a PS5 game, and Switch game. Not sure which game it is because I can't really read, but Gunvolt Records. Feels good. We might have got two of those actually. Yes, we got two of those. So we definitely got enough fans for next summer. We also got this fan. This is Cat Jump. This is one of those Korean mobile phone apps games. It's actually quite fun, this one. I played it, I got it on my phone, and you're basically just a cat jumping from side to side of a thing and see how far up you can get, and that's all. It's quite cool. So if you don't know that game, you could go check it out, Cat Jump. We also got, I think, a couple more fans. I don't know where those are right now. So let's look at a couple more things that we got. We got some stickers from that Korean game place as well. So we got a Korean flag and a few other things, which is kind of cool. We've got a book here, and this book is all about desks and stuff like that. Desks and computers and like gaming setups and stuff like that. So if you want some really, really geeky gaming setup, they've got it all here for you. Standing desks, drawers that come out for desks. They're really like super geeky stuff. So if you want that. Also, it opens the Japanese way, which is the other way from what I'm used to. And also here we got the Tokyo Game Show Korea Pavilion Directory book. So this is all the Korean games that we could see there, the apps. They were all apps. They were quite good actually. There was a lot there. So we got the whole thing. It is in English and Japanese, so that's really useful. Oh yeah, another fan. This one is Soul Covenant. Whew. It's got a story on the back, but I can't read it. It says it's on PlayStation VR 2, Meta Quest 2, and Steam VR. So that's a VR game, Soul Covenant. I don't really know what it is, but it looks like kind of an RPG-esque style. All right. While we were at that Korea Pavilion, we actually went round to all the different places and collected stamps. And at the end of that, they gave us a gift. This was one of the gifts, and you see Korea there on it. It's like a foam thing that you can sit on. So you take it with you, and then you can just sit on the ground. You can sit on this, and it protects your butt a little bit from the ground. So that's quite nice. If you're going to be out to a festival or something like that where you know there's not going to be any seats, you can take this and sit on it. So that's kind of cool. We did get one other thing from that place as well, but I don't know where it is right now. When I find it, I'll show it to you. There's so much stuff in this bag. Okay, some other stuff that we got. Key rings, yes. Also from one of these Korean stands, got some key rings. Some little characters, I think from a game. So this is Amy, and who's this? Fawadis. All right, so nice little key rings there, plastic key rings. Maybe good as a gift. I think we got some more as well. Yeah, we got this one. This is like a iridescent sort of banana character. It's kind of cool. Sleeping banana in PJs. I think we've got a couple of other key rings as well. So it's not always easy to find. There's a lot of stuff in here, and it's all kind of jumbled up together. All right, so let's go through with a few of the little books and stuff that we got. So little advertisement for the Capcom store that's here in Japan. There's many different ones. There's one in Tokyo, Osaka, and Umeda. I don't think we've been to the one in Tokyo, so I think that's definitely somewhere we could go and we could have a look around. Because I like Capcom stuff, so yeah, we should do that. We also got one of these sort of plastic holders. They seem to like these here in Japan, from the Tokyo Game Show, so it's quite cool. You can store papers in it and stuff like that and remind yourself of the Tokyo Game Show, so that's nice. We've just got one of those. It's got some nice characters on it, nice colours. Yeah, pretty nice. And then we got some advertisement that doesn't look important. We got the lineup for TGS 2023 from Square Enix. So as you know, Square Enix were advertising their Final Fantasy VII sort of second part to their trilogy they're going to release for the remake. I think it's called Rebirth, and they had some demo set up there, and you could do that demo, but we didn't do it because I think you had to book it ahead, and we didn't do that. But anyway, they got all the stuff here. They got Star Ocean, and that's coming out. It says the 2nd of November, so it must have come out. Saga Emerald, all the stuff that's coming out, we've got in here. Foam Stars, Final Fantasy, what's that? IV-14 Online. All this stuff. Foam Stars, I think, is a bit like Splatoon, but done by Square Enix. Anyway, so yeah, we got that. Oh, and here's a bit more about Soul Covenant. One that we got the fan for. I don't really know what it is, but hey, it looks pretty cool. There's a VR game. It's interesting. I've never played a VR game. Okay, there's just some plastic. Oh, we got a Soul Covenant bag as well. Ooh, wow, it's gonna be useful. Okay, what else we got? We've got lots of papers, so let's go through those. Oh yeah, we got Black Magic Design. We've got a little flyer from them. They're the ones that make an editing software that's free, DaVinci Resolve, that I use on my computer, so I thought I'd grab that. We also supply lots of hardware, so you can like a camera and like an editing setup, I think, and stuff like that. But I've never used any of that, but it might be useful someday. But at the moment, I just edit using this because it's free and it's quite good, to be honest. What's this? We got a little card for Merge Lab. I don't know what that is. Infolens Geek Shop. Okay, so if you're a geek, then there you go. This is just some of the stuff that was available at the show. So there was a lot of merch that you could buy at the show, and yeah, you basically look in here, and then you can either order it online or you could order it and pick it up at the show if they still have it in stock. They've got all sorts of stuff like Ark Survival there, Apex Legends. Brawl Stars, Fall Guys, Minecraft, so a lot of online games, some Govy stuff. Yeah, we've got lots of stuff that you could get. And also this is the same with the Geek Shop thing, so all sorts of different merch, Among Us and other things in there. Loads of stuff that you could get at the show, so if you want to just pick it up on the day, you could. Oh yeah, this is a advert for like a VR, what do you call this, like a VR rig that you like stand in. It holds you, and then you can run around and you can do things in VR and feel like you're actually there. I don't know how well it works. It's 1.5 million yen, so it's not really affordable. But oh, they do have some cheaper ones. 330, 225. Anyway, so they actually showed them at the show, and they look pretty interesting, and it is in the video. So if you haven't seen the video, you go check it out. I'd have to try that someday. Try VR and try that. Oh yeah, and here's the actual catalogue for it, I think. So there's lots of different ones in here, and they show you the kind of things you can do, stuff like that. That's a pretty cool idea, you know, to like be more immersed in the VR, is to have these things so you can actually run around and feel like you're in it. I think one day you really will be able to be fully in VR and feel like you're actually running around and doing everything. We're actually just in your living room. One day. Okay. What else we got here? Now, 2023. Okay, and some woman on the front. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so well, maybe she's in some sort of game. She's a games designer or something. I'm not really sure. But yeah, so it's just a magazine about what's going on now, I guess, in gaming. Obviously, it's all in Japanese. So if you can read Japanese, then you're in luck. But if you can't, like me, then yeah, you get a bit stuck. But yeah, I think it's all about gaming and the game show even, maybe. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Maybe one day when I can read Japanese, I'll be able to actually look through it. Okay, and then we actually had the Tokyo Game Show 2023 map that we had on the day. Oh, this was a beast. It was a beast of a show. Absolutely humongous. If you look at this, like that's just some of the pavilion, and then the other side there. So yeah, it was humongous. We didn't go to the main stage or anything like that. We just went to all the different halls. So hall 1 to 8 is there, and hall 9 and 10 and 11 on the other side. But there was more than that. Yeah, so pretty crazy. When we got this map right at the beginning, I looked at it and I was like, I have no idea what this means, because it was really, really big and kind of difficult to read. What else we got here? Oh yeah, we got our Tekken 8 Kuma or Panda fans. Tekken 8, can you believe it? Tekken 8? Yeah, I remember having Tekken on the PlayStation 1. I think that might be Tekken 3, I'm not sure, but Tekken 8 now is where we are. Madness. And we also got this little fan here for a Dynabook RZ. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, kind of cute. We're going down to some other little bits of papers and stuff. So here we got a little advert for Balladins. I don't know what that is. Looks like a little game. I don't know. We got Google Play. All Google Play games and stuff like that. They had a big Google Play thing at the show. What's this? Ultra Rumble. My Hero Academia Ultra Rumble. Freaked Heart. I think we tried to play this one. And it was pretty fun, but it wasn't in English, so I was really, really confused and we didn't know how to play it. So yeah, we've got a few other things here. Well, lots of little things. The Google Play is where we got some stamps for the Google Play thing, and then we could win something at the end. And yeah, that was pretty cool. So we got the Google stamps, and we could play a game. And what we won, I think I won this Final Fantasy VII tote bag. Pretty cool. Let me show you the thing on the front. It's Forever Crisis. I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, I don't think I played that one. No, it's a black tote bag, polyester, I think. Yeah, pretty nice. Very geeky. Could put some of this stuff in there actually, but there you go. That's what I got, and I think I only got some points, some Google Play points. I don't know where those are at the moment, so I'll have to have a look and see if I can find them. Oh, we got a lot of little things in here. Google Play. Yeah. Oh wow, another fan. This one is Double Dragon Gaiden. It says PS5 and Nintendo Switch. Double Dragon. It rings a bell, Double Dragon. One of those side-scrolling sort of beat-em-ups, I think. Google Play, yeah, we had that. And this is about the games. We had a big thing for REM Collection, Volume 2. Haven't got much left now. I'm going to grab it all out of the bag and show you all the little bits and bobs that we have here. Oh my god, it's all little stickers. Got loads of little stickers for some reason. I'm not sure why. I have to pick them up somewhere. Okay, so that's the bag empty. So we've got lots of little stickers like this, little silver stickers, probably game characters, I imagine. So if you wanted to cover a book or something like that with stickers, well, I got tons of them. Loads of these. So all these stickers, loads and loads of stickers. We've got some characters. Cyber J is a character there. So we've got this card for a character for another game. 2 of those. Got another keychain. Keychain's pretty cool. This one is Shuran. She is. And I got another keychain of like a Statue of Liberty kind of character, iridescent. That's cool. We've got some My Hero Academia Ultra Rumble stickers. Let's have a look. So there we go. Just a few of those. Feel like My Hero Academia, I guess that's cool. We also got Pinale card, Shuran card, another Cyber J, Fawaris, Dana, and the Sparky card. I think that was from a game from the Korean show part. We've got some cards here, Time Zero, Archer Kanglian, Merge Lab, lots of cards. Some stickers here, again from the same game. Get Your Ghost. Another Sweet Home one. We got the Shoot, Edit, and Stream stickers from Black Magic Design. Sweet Home, we got a little card for 5,000 gems, but I've never played that game, so I don't know. Another sticker here, another sticker. Oh, some more My Hero Academia stickers, I think it's the same. A card for Space Pup Entertainment, I don't know what that is. Another sticker here. And then finally, we actually got a couple of more things from the Korean place. We got, oh my god, it doesn't want to come out. We got a mouse mats. We're stuck to it. There we go. So we got a Korea mouse mat. Smells very plasticky, but of course it does. Okay, so yeah, we got 2 of those and some more of these stickers. So I mean, mouse mats are nice. I don't use the type of mouse that needs a mouse mat because I use one of those ones with the ball inside that you roll with your thumb. So that's it. And the last thing that we got, which I kind of forgot about, is 1,500 Google Play points. That Harmony one during the Google Play game thing that we did. I got the Final Fantasy VII tote bag and she got this 1,500 points. I'm not sure what I can buy. I think 1,500 points, 1,500 yen maybe, so that's not bad. I should put that on my Play account and we can get something with it. But yeah, I think that's about it. I think that's everything we got. If we got something else, I'm not sure where it is. So yeah, I think that's about it. So that was all the merch that we got. We didn't get that much. I did try and get some when we were at the Korea app place. We tried to get some, but we didn't get that many really. And you probably could get more at the Tokyo Game Show, but then you'd have to carry it around everywhere, and you probably have to download a lot of games to your phone, or listen to a lot of advertising and stuff like that, just to get a little bit of merch. So is it worth it? I don't know. It did seem that at the Tokyo Game Show, you did have to queue for a lot of things for a long time. So I think you kind of got to pick and choose what you want to do there. If you're going to go, then, and you want to try something out, you got to plan it beforehand. So I think if we go next year, we know a bit more about how to plan it and what to do. So yeah, anyway, that's it. That's been the merch haul from the Tokyo Game Show 2023. And if you liked any of this merch, or you thought I could have got better merch, let me know in the comments. And let me know about any other videos you might want to see on this channel in Tokyo, because that's where we are. And I'll give it a go. I can try and do it. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.